All right guys, today I'm going to show you my soda hack. Good stuff. This is Kathleen from My Alabama Farm Life, and welcome to my channel. We all know that sodas are bad for us. They have way too much sugar, and even the artificial sweetened sodas aren't good for us either. Personally, they're alcohol based, and my body just doesn't get along with alcohol anymore. So I get tired of drinking water all the time, and I found these awesome flavor packets on Amazon, and I really love them, and I started out mixing them with my water. The brand name is called True Lemon, and it says it has no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or preservatives. That's what it says. And it says it has 25% daily vitamins A, C, and E, and it's only 10 calories, and it's non-GMO. Just the fact that it only has 10 calories, using stevia leaf extract and also cane sugar really caught my attention, and that's why I purchased it, because like I said before, I don't do artificial sweeteners. So this is how I make my drink. I just go ahead and add my flavor packet, and then I have two 12-ounce cans of whatever sparkling water that you like. The bubbly is what was on sale at Publix, so I got 2 cartons of those. Again, I put 2 of the cans into my cup with 1 packet, and that is the flavor that I like. It's not too sweet, it's not too bitter, and I don't get that nasty artificial sweetener flavor that I get from so many diet sodas or low-calorie sodas. Now, I have to warn you that when you're mixing the powder and the sodas together, that soda is going to bubble up a lot. So you're going to have to let that fizz die down a little bit before you put in that second cup. And I mean, if you like a little bit stronger flavor, be my guest, add a second pouch. It's probably even better. But I just wanted something other than just water all the time. I needed to shake it up with a little flavor. I choose to go ahead and stir it up a little bit. Sometimes it gets little flakes of powder that doesn't dissolve instantly. I also know that if I wait a couple of minutes, it will dissolve on its own. But this time for you guys, I'm going to stir it up. So there you go. That is my drink. It's 24 ounces and 1 packet of my flavor mix from True Lemon. And I really do enjoy this. And apparently the cat does too. That's with my drink. All right, guys, so this is how I make my I guess we'll call it a soda, but it's my sparkling water. And again, I really like that the bite that I get when I have a soda, and this actually satisfies that craving really well. I usually drink a whole jar of this in the evening, something that I drink with my dinner, just something with a little flavor to get you through the evening instead of just plain water. Usually have a cup of coffee in the morning and then water, and then I have my sparkling water. Again, I use the bubbly. These sparkling waters, there's so many brands, it's ridiculous. You can really try just about any brand that you want or like. But again, those were on sale, so I picked them up. I've also started out with the water. Actually started doing this with the Waterloo, and those were pretty good. Like I said, you can get really just any kind of sparkling water that you want, that you prefer. I like the sparkling water, but I found that it just didn't have enough flavor. So that's where those flavor packets came in. And I like the flavor packets. Again, they're only 10 calories, and they don't have those artificial sweetener. It has a little bit of an aftertaste, but it's really not that bad. It's not anything that makes it so bad that you can't drink it. I actually look forward every day to have my flavored sparkling water. And guys, I hope that you like this hack. If you have any other suggestions, or sparkling water, or maybe even another packet that's similar to the True Lemon, just let me know, put it in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching me and supporting my channel. You guys have a blessed and joyous day, and I will see you on my next video.